Hello everyone, welcome to this new tutorial. My name is Daisy. Today I'll show you how to start your own t-shirt sublimation business, especially designed for beginners. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started, from the equipment and materials you'll need to working with the design, printing them, and finally pressing them onto the t-shirts. And we're going to talk about the tools and supplies that we're going to need to start with the t-shirt sublimation business. First, we're going to need a printer with sublimation ink. I am using my Epson EcoTank ET15000 that I have converted into a sublimation printer. I am using Hippo sublimation ink. If you would like to learn how to convert an Epson EcoTank printer into a sublimation printer, I invite you to look for my tutorials on my channel. Also, we're going to need sublimation paper. This one is also Hippo brand. And to press the sublimation design, we're going to need a heat press. And for this project, I'm going to be using my new Vevor 5-in-1 heat press machine. With this press, you can not only press t-shirts or flat items, but you can also press on hats, on plates using this tool. You can press 11 ounces or 15 ounces cups and 20 ounces and 30 ounces tumblers. I'm going to link it in the video description below. Now we're going to talk about what type of t-shirt we can sublimate. For sublimation, we will need polyester t-shirt, 65% polyester and above. They also need to be light colors. Also, we're going to need butcher paper, a lint roller, and heat tape. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description down below. And I'm going to start working with the design. And to work with the design, I'm going to be using the free graphic design program Inkscape. If you don't know about Inkscape yet and would like to give it a try, I invite you to visit inkscape.org. You can download it. This program is free and very easy to use. I have several tutorials on my channel if you would like to learn how to use Inkscape. Right now, I'm going to show you how to print these beautiful designs using Inkscape. Go to File, click on New, go to File again, click on Import, open the folder where you have your design, select it, and open it. Click OK. Now, let's go to File again, Document Properties, and here we're going to change it to letter size and close that window. Next, we're going to resize the image. I'm going to resize it to fit this letter size paper. I'm going to click on the lock so it doesn't distort. And this is going to be a design for a small t-shirt. So I'm going to make it as big as I can. Now I'm going to insert another image. Go to File, Import. I'm going to select the image, open, click OK, and I'm going to place it aside. I'm going to print these two. Now, if you wish to resize with specific measurements, go to the size bar above, and instead of millimeters, you're going to select inches. And then you can type your measurements. Like that, you can resize it to your liking or to your needs. I'm going to stretch this design as much as I can. I'm still going to leave a little margin on the sides. Now I'm going to go ahead and print them. We're going to print the one that is on the white area before. Whatever is on the white area is printable. Go to File, Print, select your sublimation printer, Go all the way down and click on More Settings. Now here you're going to select the tray where you have the sublimation paper. Make sure it's on letter size. On paper type, you're going to select Premium Presentation Paper Matte. On quality, select High. Select Print Preview, then go to More Options, and here is very important to select Mirror Image. Click OK and Print. I am using my Epson EcoTank ET15000 that I have converted into a sublimation printer. Also, I am using Hippo sublimation ink and Hippo sublimation paper. If you would like to learn how to convert an Epson EcoTank into a sublimation printer, I invite you to look for my tutorials on my channel. The printing is ready. As you can see, it's on mirror mode. Now, to press the design, we're going to be using my new Vevor heat press machine. And this one is a 100% polyester t-shirt. Also, the t-shirts need to be light colors. We cannot sublimate on dark colors. Place a piece of butcher paper inside the t-shirt so we don't stain the back of the t-shirt. And we're going to clean it using a lint roller. Then we're going to press it for 10 seconds to remove the wrinkles. Next, I'm going to show you to adjust the time and temperature on the machine. Press on set to start adjusting the temperature. We're going to press it at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. Use the arrows to adjust the temperature. Then press on set. Then go ahead and adjust the time. When you finish adjusting the time, press on set again, twice, and let it preheat. While it preheats, we're going to align the designs on the t-shirts. Align it and center it, then secure it with heat-resistant tape. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description down below. Before pressing, place a piece of butcher paper on top. Press it and then press on the down arrow to activate the timer. And it's ready. Let's reveal the design. Let's see how it turned out. Look how beautiful. The colors are very vivid and bright. This is sublimated on a 100% polyester. So cute. Now I'm going to press another design on this other t-shirt. This one is a 65% polyester. We're going to repeat the process. Remember, we're going to place a piece of butcher paper inside the t-shirt. Then press it for 10 seconds to remove the wrinkles. And then we're going to clean it using the lint roller. Then we're going to align the design and secure it with heat-resistant tape. And again, we're going to press it at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. And don't forget to place a piece of butcher paper on top. This is to protect the fabric. And it's ready. That easy, you can sublimate on t-shirts. They are very beautiful. But as you can see, the colors on 100% polyester are more vivid and bright. I think I'm going to use this one for me. I love it. The design is not as bright, I think. I really like how this press works for sublimation. I like that the top plate rotates, so it makes it very easy to place the t-shirt and align the design, and also protects you from burning. Also, if you are planning on expanding your business, with this one you are going to be able to press a variety of items such as cups, tumblers, hats, and plates. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description down below. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to support this channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and until next time.